Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to a new video. And today we're going to talk about must, have to and should. Today we're going to see when do we have to use each of them. So let's get it started. Must. Must is a modal verb. We use must to express strong obligations or vital necessity when something is essential or required. For instance, you must wear a seatbelt in a car. So if you want to go by car, you must have your seatbelt fastened. Here we're talking about strong obligation, which is vital. Or for example, I must finish this project by tomorrow. So I've got a deadline tomorrow and this is my personal obligation that I must finish this project. The next word is have to. We use have to express external obligations or requirements. When something is imposed by external circumstances or authorities. For instance, I have to attend a meeting at 3 p.m. It doesn't matter if I want to do it or not, but I have to do it because my boss told me to do so. So here we're talking about external circumstances that don't depend on us. The next example, children have to go to school. Here, it doesn't matter if they do want to go or they don't. They have to do because it's a social requirement. They are told that they have to do it, although sometimes they consider it to be a bit boring. And the last verb is should. We use should to express recommendations or advice. The verb should is not as strong as must or have to, but it suggests a good idea or the right thing to do. For instance, you should eat more vegetables for better health. So here we're talking about recommendations. It's not a secret if you want to be healthy, if you want to stay healthy, you have to eat more vegetables and fruits. Another example, I think you should apologize to her. So imagine you've got two friends who argued. And now that you suggest, probably it would be a good idea, I think you should apologize to her. And you will sort it out. So here we're talking about the suggestion. So let's recap. We use must when we are talking about strong obligations. We use have to when we are talking about external circumstances or external obligations. We have to do something because of something which doesn't depend on us. And then we use should when we're talking about recommendations and suggestions.